In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable searching audio and video recordings. If you've ever wished you could find a specific moment in a meeting or lecture without replaying the entire recording, this setting in OneNote can help. It uses speech recognition, sometimes called speech-to-text or audio search, to make words spoken in your recording searchable, right from the regular search bar you already use in OneNote. Here's how to turn it on. Start by opening OneNote on your computer. Go to the File menu, then choose Options. In the Options window, look for the Audio and Video section. This is where OneNote keeps settings related to recording and playback. In that section, you'll see a checkbox labeled Enable Searching Audio and Video Recordings for Words. Check that box. That's all you need to activate the feature. Once this is enabled, OneNote begins analyzing your audio and video recordings in the background. It listens for spoken words and builds an index so that when you type a word into the search box, OneNote can point you to notes that include recordings where that word was said. It's especially useful for long lectures, interviews, or meeting notes where you remember a key term but not exactly when it was mentioned. There are a couple of important caveats to keep in mind. First, enabling this feature can slow down your regular search performance in OneNote. That's because the app is doing extra work to interpret audio and video content and keep that index up to date. If you don't rely on searching recordings very often, you may prefer to keep it off and only enable it when you need it. You can always come back to the same setting and uncheck the box to turn it off again. Second, indexing takes time. OneNote won't make recordings instantly searchable the moment you enable the option. It processes them in the background, and depending on how many recordings you have and their length, you might notice a delay before search results include spoken words. That's normal. If you've just turned it on, give it a little while and then try your search again. Audio quality, background noise, and the language spoken can also affect accuracy, so clearer recordings tend to produce better search results. That's it. You've enabled searching inside your audio and video recordings. Use OneNote's search as usual, and over time you'll see results that include your recordings where those words were spoken. If performance slows and you're not actively using the feature, simply return to Options and turn it off.